If you want to pair a Bluetooth device with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you need to do is, first of all, we're going to open the settings on our Galaxy Watch 9, so you can swipe up on the watch face to open the apps list, and then go to settings. Now over here in settings, you want to continue by going to connections, and then here choose Bluetooth. Now in here, once we open Bluetooth, and of course you want to make sure that Bluetooth is on, next you want to turn on your Bluetooth device, and if possible, put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. If it's not possible, then make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. Now over here in the Bluetooth settings, you should be able to find your Bluetooth device here on this list of available devices, but also at the bottom we have the scan button, which is available after a short time, so you might need to refresh the list by tapping on the scan button to find your Bluetooth device on this list. And once you find it, of course, select it and confirm that you want to pair, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.